There are fears that the coronavirus cause altered plans and cancellations all across the country.
This as the outbreak spreads in the U.S. with more than 300 cases confirmed and at least 15 deaths.
The latest uptick comes from a cruise ship floating off the coast of California.
21 people aboard the Grand Princess have tested positive, and all but 2 are the crew members.
CBS News correspondent Nancy Chen has the latest.
Vice President Pence says tests dropped on board a cruise ship off the California coast by a National Guard helicopter found 21 people have the coronavirus.
Among those were 19 crew members and 2 passengers.
The vice president says the ship will be brought into a non-commercial port this weekend. All 3,500 people on board will be tested. More than 1,100 crew will remain on the ship in quarantine.
We will continue to put the health and safety of America first.
It will end. People have to remain calm.
President Trump and members of his coronavirus task force toured the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in Atlanta.
We've had 11 deaths, and they've been largely old people who were susceptible to what's happening.
The death toll has since risen. Many were patients at this suburban Seattle nursing home, which is under local and federal investigation. A team of medical professionals is set to arrive Saturday to help care for patients at the Life Care Center. Seattle area officials issued warnings.
We must prepare this region for the inevitable continued spread of this virus, at least in the short run.
The University of Washington canceled in-person classes for the next several weeks. 50,000 students will attend class and take final exams virtually. Not everyone supports the move.
So many of people live on campus. I honestly don't see how it would stop the spread unless you're like a commuter.
In Austin, Texas, officials called off the annual South by Southwest Festival, which attracts hundreds of thousands from around the globe. Nancy Chen, CBS News.
President Trump signed an $8.3 billion coronavirus aid package today.
Now, the coronavirus task force announced that more than 1 million testing kits will have shipped by tomorrow. By the end of next week, that number is expected to rise to 4 million.